Theta Digital Money is a decentralized video conveyance network with its own blockchain, intended to invigorate channel sharing. Video conveyance networks right now experience the ill effects of unfortunate dissemination in less evolved nations, exorbitant establishment, and a brought-together gadget. Moreover, Theta considers the current framework caught off guard for the developing requests that it will look because of the developing execution of 4 Kelvin, 8 Kelvin, augmented simulation, and other high-level turns of events. Theta was an ERC20 coin in view of Ethereum blockchain. Presently, it deals with its own mainnet. Theta makes a distributed network that plans to tackle these issues utilizing the blockchain, which fills in as an impetus layer to keep up with the consistent elite exhibition of the conveyance organization. We should find out along with who is behind this undertaking and what the digital money climate will mean for the cost of a coin. Theta organization verifiable as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Theta organization is $0.98, and Theta is as of now position No. 51 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Theta organization is $975,784,176.47, with a market cap of 1 billion Theta. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 1 cent in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Theta has been in a decent vertical pattern, consequently expanding by 6.5%. Theta organization has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Theta has expanded by 20.72%, adding a huge typical measure of 20 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Theta Organization costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Theta Organization will be $1.54. The greatest level that the Theta cost can reach is $1.77. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.58. Possible return on initial capital investment 71.8% by Theta value estimate for February 2023 in light of the value changes of Theta organization toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Theta pace of $1.13 in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $1.02 and at $1.16. Separately, expected return for money invested 12.6% by WAC 2023. Theta organization value figure digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the Theta cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1.11, while the greatest could reach $1.22 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Theta organization may be around $1.16. It can drop to $1.16 as a base. The greatest worth may be $1.28. Likely return for money invested 24.3% by May 2023. Theta organization value figure around mid-year 2023. The Theta cost will be exchanged at $1.25 overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Theta organization worth to $1.33. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $1.21 in May 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment 29.1% by Theta value conjecture for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Theta organization costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023. $1.27. The most reduced and top Theta rates may be $1.22 and $1.39. Likely return for money invested 35% by July 2023. Theta organization value figure crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Theta cost will be around $1.33. In July 2023, the Theta organization cost might drop to at least $1.27. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.44 in July 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment 39.8% by Theta value conjecture for August 2023. Having examined Theta organization costs, digital money specialists expect that the Theta rate could arrive at a limit of $1.49 in August 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $1.32. For August 2023, the anticipated normal of Theta organization is almost $1.37. Likely return for capital invested 44.7% by September 2023. Theta organization value gauge around mid-2023. The Theta organization cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.42. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the Theta cost could vary somewhere in the range of $1.37 and $1.56. Likely return for money invested. 51.5% by Theta value conjecture for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Theta organization worth won't dip under at least $1.42. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $1.63. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $1.46. Likely return for money invested. 58.3% by November 2023. Theta organization value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of Theta costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Theta organization will be around $1.69, with a chance of dropping to at least $1.48. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $1.52. Possible return for capital invested. 64.1% by Theta value gauge for December 2023. In light of the value variances of Theta organization toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Theta pace of $1.58 in December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1.54 and at $1.77. Separately, possible return for capital invested. 71.8% by Theta organization value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Theta organization in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Theta organization will be around $2.23. The most extreme expected Theta cost might be around $2.66. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $2.30 in 2024. The typical expected exchanging cost is $3.27. Theta organization value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Theta organization and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Theta cost could drop to $4.86, while its greatest can reach $5.60. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $4.99. Theta organization value expectation 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Theta organization by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Theta costs are normal in 2027, $8.60 and $7.20. Overall, it will be exchanged at $7.40. Theta organization value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of Theta organization. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical Theta cost will be around $10.75. It could drop to at least $10.38. However, it actually could reach $12.51 all through 2028. Theta organization value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready conjectures at the cost of Theta organization. It is assessed that Theta will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $15.86 and $18.20 in 20